Indian rupees weaken after FM Sitaraman hike capital gain tax. The Indian rupees weakened to near 83.70 against the US dollar USD in a Tuesday European session. The Indian currency faces pressure due to a sharp sell-off in equity market after the announcement of the fiscal budget 2024-25. Indian Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed to hike taxes on long-term capital gain (LTCG) and short-term capital gains (STCG) with immediate effect. The centre has raised taxes on LTCG and STCG from 10% to 12.5% and from 15% to 20% respectively, while the exemption limit on LTCG has been raised to rupees 1.25 lakhs from Rs rupees 1 lakh. Higher taxes on capital gains are unfavorable scenario for foreign investors who are keen to invest in Indian through direct investment or institutional route. This could have negative impact on the Indian rupees in near term. However, the long term appeal of the Indian rupees could strengthen as the administration has reduced fiscal deficit target for 2024-25 and 2025-26 to 4.9% and 4.5% respectively. Meanwhile, the US dollar exhibit a sudden performance with a focus on a slow of United States US economy data releasing this week. The US dollar index TXY while track the greenback value against 6 major currencies traded around 104.30.